Greetings. If you're having problems logging into Zoom, today I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom. The first step to fixing Zoom is to close out of every single tab that you have open in your web browser. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to close all open tabs that you have in your web browser. So if you're anything like me, you might have a lot of open tabs in your web browser. We want to make sure that we close all of them. So we're going to X out of every tab that we have open. And now if we're completely X'd out of them, we should have a clear window. If you don't have a clear window, then you need to close out of everything. So if we close out of everything, it's going to close down the window. Once you close down Google completely, once you've X'd out of everything, you want to reopen Google and you should have a fresh start. But that doesn't mean that you have a fresh start. The next step is to sign out of your student Gmail. So you might have to reopen it and then click sign out, or you can find the sign out button in the upper right hand corner. So if we're looking in the right hand corner, we can see that I'm still signed in with my school account. It says that I'm still signed in. So we want to click on the logo with your name or your picture, and you want to click on sign out so that you are completely signed out of Google. You don't want to be in any way signed into your student Google account. The next step is to clear the cookies from your computer. If you are using a browser other than Chrome, then you're going to have to Google how to do this. If you're using Google Chrome, in order to do this, you're going to go into the upper right hand corner. You're going to click on the three dots. You're going to click on history. You're going to click on the history tab, and it's going to show us everything that we've been to recently. What you want to do is click on the left hand side where it says clear browser data. We're going to click on that and make sure that clearing cookies and other data is removed and catch images is removed. So we're going to click on clear data, and that's going to make sure that we are completely signed out of and cleared out of everything. The next step is to go to zoom.us/signin. So you're going directly to the Zoom website. So we're going to go to zoom.us/signin, which will take us to the Zoom sign-in page. The next step is to click on the sign-in button and click on sign in with Google. Now at the top it asks for our email address and password. We're going to leave that blank. We instead are going to scroll down a little bit to the link where it says sign in with Google. So we're going to click on sign in with Google. The next step is to enter your PCCS student account, and if it asks you to merge the account, then it might. It's not going to ask me because my account is already merged, but if it asks you to merge the account, tell it yes, you want to merge the account. Here, you want to make sure that you are entering your school Google account. If you use your personal account, it will not work. So we're going to sign in using our school account. We're going to sign in using our school password. And now we are signed into Zoom. If you already know the Zoom link, and I hope that you do, you can bookmark the Zoom link. So I've got first hour bookmarked here. We can just click on our Zoom link and it will then take us directly to the meeting that we need to go to. However, if you don't know what the link is, the next step is you want to go to Canvas. So we're going to go to Canvas. We're going to log in as staff and students. So once you're signed into our class in Canvas, whether it's US History or Civics, you are going to click on the home screen. You want to be on the home page, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to find the link for Zoom link. So if we click on Zoom link, it's going to open a page with the Zoom link. And it shows us exactly how to log in and the link for our class. So if we wanted the 4th hour Zoom, we're going to click on Zoom link for 4th hour. It's going to give us all the information on how to sign in, or we can just click on the link right there. And this is going to ask us, do we want to open Zoom? We're going to click on yes, we want to open Zoom. And voila, you should now be in the meeting. If it tells you that it's waiting for the host to let you into the meeting room, and we should let you in within a minute or so, or probably even less than that. If you're constantly waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting, you might want to check with somebody from class or shoot me a quick email, because chances are pretty good that maybe we've ended class for the afternoon or the morning and we've kind of sent you off to do independent work. So when we're doing independent work, I'm not going to stay signed on to Zoom Instead, we're going to be off doing independent work. So if it's independent work time, you might want to just send me a quick email. But that should be it. That should be all you need to do to get into Zoom. If that doesn't work, and if this doesn't work, then please take a screenshot or a video. The more screenshots and the more video you have, the easier it's going to be to help you because then I'll know exactly what's going wrong. Have a wonderful day.